Here's a pair of the AirPods 4. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV. This is the LG TV with WebOS. First thing is go to your settings on your LG TV. If you have this remote here, you have a settings button, the gear icon right there. If not, just go to your home page, click on the home button on the remote, and just navigate. Oops. Let me click on the home button again. Navigate to the top right-hand corner.
Hey everyone.
All the way up. Move over to the right, that little gear icon, click on OK. And then from here, we want to go down to sound out right there. Currently it's on the internal speaker, but we wanted to come out of the AirPods, so go ahead and click on that. And now we just want to go ahead and move to the right or the left. So let me see. Okay, so Bluetooth list, that's what we want. Okay, so just keep moving over until you see Bluetooth list. And then just go down to device list. Okay on the remotes. And now you can see that little search thing, that spinning thing. It's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So we got to hurry up and put these in pairing mode. So first thing is make sure the earbuds are in. Close it. Wait till the light turns off. Now, when the lights are off, open it and tap 2 times. 1, 2, right there. Oh, let me do it again. 1, 2. What I want is a white blinking light. Oh, let me do it again. Okay, so let me open it and let me tap. Okay, there we go. White blinking light. Now it's in pairing mode. It's still searching. Oh, I took too long. So let me go ahead and research again. So search again. And it's still in pairing mode. It's still blinking white there. So we should find it. So just be patient here. Oh, there it is. Pops up right there. Just make sure it's highlighted there and then go ahead and click OK. And now you can see the check mark up there. So my AirPods are now connected. Okay, now if you had issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.